Thanks, Shopsil and Economic Times for inviting me on this insightful session. It was very interesting, hearing all the viewpoints from fellow colleagues who are tenured in this industry, who are more tenured, like 15 years, 20 years spent in the industry, and hearing from them the sales problem, which are primarily the same that these guys were talking from their experience when they were young in the industry to till now. I think that conversation is interesting, despite of this spending these 15-20 years in the industry, the problem still remains the same, but solutions that we are able to build for these problems, especially the sales oriented ones, right? And people are still trying to understand how to crack them in this ever changing era, in this ever changing time, because today you solve a problem, tomorrow the problem remains, but the solution becomes obsolete, right? Completely obsolete, and you have to kind of rethink and be on this this journey, ever evolving journey of solving similar set of problem, but in a new way. The key takeaway is one size does not fit all, and I'm a firm believer in that. So I am from technology, and when I am designing these solutions for my distribution, I always keep in mind that they are coming from, their experience is different, the region they come from is different. So when you are providing solution, it really has to cater to those people. So that is, and it resonates with the entire discussion when people were talking about that one size fit all is not something that one should live with, and there should be custom tailored experiences and tailored solutions that we should be giving to our distribution for them to scale and leverage and be a top performer in their area. It's absolutely necessary because, like I said, the problems are same, but the solutions need to be different. Today we are more exposed to bite-sized content, right? So when you talk about playbooks, those 20-slide PPT or those heavy material are not going to serve our today's consumer. We need to give them bite-sized content that stays with them, and they're able to implement it faster. They're able to get on their job and on their roles and be more productive with these smaller content, bite-sized content, and the playbook needs to be customized to serve today's generation and today's feet on street, then following a traditional rudimentary approach of trainings and PPTs and modules and exams. I think that is one key change that we have to bring, and yeah, I see.